Question 1. The standard width of broad gauge BG in Indian Railways is. The correct answer is 1.676 meters. Question 2. The standard width of meter gauge MG is. The correct answer is 1.000 meters. Question 3. Coning of wheels is provided to. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 4. The slope of coning of wheels in Indian Railways is. The correct answer is 1 in 20. Question 5. Creep of rails is the. The correct answer is longitudinal movement of rails. Question 6. Which of the following is not a cause of creep? The correct answer is constant speed of train. Question 7. Sleeper density is usually expressed as m equals length of one rail. The correct answer is m plus x. Question 8. The standard length of a broad gauge rail in India is. The correct answer is 12.80 meters, approximately 13 meters. Question 9. Which type of sleeper is most widely used in modern Indian railways? The correct answer is pre-stressed concrete PSC. Question 10. Ballast in railway tracks is used to. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 11. The best material for ballast is. The correct answer is broken stone, granite divided by basalt. Question 12. Cant superelevation in railways is the. The correct answer is elevation of outer rail above inner rail. Question 13. The equilibrium superelevation E for a train speed v km per hour on a curve of radius rm with gauge G is. The correct answer is GV to the power of 2 divided by 127 r. Question 14. Cant efficiency is the difference between. The correct answer is equilibrium cant required for high speed and actual cant provided. Question 15. Maximum permissible superelevation for broad gauge in India is typically. The correct answer is 16.5 centimeters. Question 16. The switch angle depends on. The correct answer is heel divergence and length of tongue rail. Question 17. The distance between the running face of the stock rail and the toe of the tongue rail is called. The correct answer is throw of switch. Question 18. A turnout consists of. The correct answer is a pair of points and a crossing. Question 19. Crossing number n is defined as. The correct answer is cotangent of crossing angle. Question 20. Fish plates are used to. The correct answer is join two rails. Question 21. The number of bolts in a standard fish plate connection is. The correct answer is 4. Question 22. Pandrel clips are examples of. The correct answer is elastic fastenings. Question 23. Bearing plates are used. The correct answer is under flat-footed rails on wooden sleepers. Question 24. Standard length of meter gauge rail is. The correct answer is 11.89 meters, approximately 12 meters. Question 25. The minimum depth of ballast cushion for broad gauge is. The correct answer is 20 to 25 cm. Question 26. Widening of gauge on curves is required when. The correct answer is radius is less than 350 meters, approximately 4 degrees. Question 27. Grade compensation on curves for broad gauge is. The correct answer is 0.04% per degree of curve. Question 28. Grade compensation on curves for meter gauge is. The correct answer is 0.03% per degree of curve. Question 29. A triangle in railways is used for. The correct answer is reversing the direction of engine. Question 30. Diamond crossing is provided when. The correct answer is two tracks cross each other at an acute angle. Question 31. According to Nagpur Road Plan, roads are classified into. The correct answer is NH, SHISH, MDR, ODR, VR. Question 32. The sequence of road development plans in India is. The correct answer is Nagpur, Bombay, Lucknow. Question 33. Stopping sight distance SSD is given by. The correct answer is Vt plus V to the power of 2 divided by 2 GF. Question 34. In SSD calculation, reaction time as per IRC is. The correct answer is 2.5 seconds. Question 35. Overtaking sight distance OSD is measured assuming the eye level at. The correct answer is 1.2 meters. Question 36. The height of the object for SSD calculation is. The correct answer is 0.15 meters. Question 37. Camber is provided to. The correct answer is drain off rainwater. Question 38. The shape of camber for cement concrete roads is generally. The correct answer is straight line. Question 39. Recommended camber for WBM roads in heavy rainfall areas is. The correct answer is 1 in 33, 3%. Question 40. Extra widening on curves is required because. The correct answer is rear wheels allow off-tracking mechanical plus psychological reasons. Question 41. Mechanical widening is given by L equals wheelbase, R equals radius, N equals lanes. The correct answer is NL to the power of 2 divided by 2R. Question 42. Psychological widening is given by V in kilometers per hour, R in m. The correct answer is V divided by 9.5 square root of R. Question 43. Transition curves are used to. The correct answer is introduce centrifugal force gradually. Question 44. The ideal shape of a transition curve for highways is. The correct answer is spiral clothoid. Question 45. Maximum superelevation for plain terrain in highways IRC is. The correct answer is 7%. Question 46. Maximum superelevation for hill roads in India is. The correct answer is 10%. Question 47. Grade compensation on curves for highways is. The correct answer is min of A and B. Question 48. Ruling gradient for plain terrain is. The correct answer is 1 in 30, 3.3%. Question 49. Summit curves are generally designed as. The correct answer is square parabolas. Question 50. Valley curves are designed based on. The correct answer is headlight sight distance and comfort. Question 51. CBR California bearing ratio test is used to evaluate. The correct answer is stability of soil subgrade. Question 52. Los Angeles abrasion test measures. The correct answer is hardness divided by abrasion resistance of aggregates. Question 53. Aggregate impact value measures. The correct answer is toughness. Question 54. Flakiness index is the percentage of particles with least dimension less than. The correct answer is 0.6 times mean dimension. Question 55. Elongation index is the percentage of particles with greatest dimension greater than. The correct answer is 1.8 times mean dimension. Question 56. Penetration test of bitumen determines. The correct answer is grade divided by hardness consistency. Question 57. Ductility of bitumen is measured in. The correct answer is cm. Question 58. Softening point of bitumen is determined by. The correct answer is ring and ball test. Question 59. Bitumen emulsion is. The correct answer is bitumen suspended in water. Question 60. Cutback bitumen is. The correct answer is bitumen dissolved in volatile solvent. Question 61. Flexible pavement failure, alligator cracking, is due to. The correct answer is fatigue, repeated loading, and excessive deflection. Question 62. Rigid pavements are designed using. The correct answer is Westergaard's theory. Question 63. Tie bars in concrete roads are used in. The correct answer is longitudinal joints. Question 64. Dowel bars in concrete roads are used in. The correct answer is transverse expansion joints. Question 65. Mud pumping is a defect in. The correct answer is rigid pavements. Question 66. The critical combination of stresses in rigid pavement during summer midday is. The correct answer is load stress plus warping stress tensile at bottom. Question 67. Standard axle load in India is. The correct answer is 8,160 kilograms, 8.16 tons. Question 68. Traffic volume is measured in. The correct answer is PCU divided by hour. Question 69. Traffic density is measured in. The correct answer is vehicles divided by km. Question 70. The basic relationship between traffic flow Q density K and speed V is. The correct answer is Q equals K asterisk V. Question 71. Maximum capacity of a lane occurs at. The correct answer is optimum speed and optimum density. Question 72. PCU stands for. The correct answer is passenger car unit. Question 73. The PCU value for a motorcycle is. The correct answer is 0.5. Question 74. Time mean speed is. The correct answer is arithmetic mean of spot speeds. Question 75. Space mean speed is. The correct answer is harmonic mean of spot speeds. Question 76. A rotary intersection is efficient when traffic volume is. The correct answer is medium 500 minus 3000 PCU divided by hour. Question 77. Weaving length is provided in. The correct answer is rotary intersection. Question 78. Regulatory signs are usually. The correct answer is circular. Question 79. Warning signs are usually. The correct answer is triangular, apex up. Question 80. The stop sign is. The correct answer is octagonal. Question 81. The give way sign is. The correct answer is inverted triangle. Question 82. Webster's method is used for. The correct answer is traffic signal design, cycle length. Question 83. Amber light in a traffic signal indicates. The correct answer is clear the intersection. Question 84. Origin and destination studies are used for. The correct answer is planning road networks and mass transit. Question 85. Desire lines are used to represent. The correct answer is flow of traffic between O and D. Question 86. Runway orientation is decided based on. The correct answer is wind-rose diagram. Question 87. The calm period is the time when wind intensity is less than. The correct answer is 6.4 kilometers per hour, 4 miles per hour. Question 88. Basic runway length is corrected for. The correct answer is elevation, temperature, and gradient. Question 89. Standard temperature for airport reference is. The correct answer is 15 degrees Celsius at MSL. Question 90. Airport capacity is. The correct answer is number of aircraft movements landing divided by takeoff per hour. Question 91. Dry dock is used for. The correct answer is repairing ships. Question 92. Breakwater is a structure constructed to. The correct answer is protect the harbor from waves. Question 93. Wharf is a structure. The correct answer is parallel to the shore for berthing. Question 94. Jetty is a structure. The correct answer is projecting into the water perpendicular to shore. Question 95. Dolphins in harbors are. The correct answer is mooring structures. Question 96. Buckling of rails occurs due to. The correct answer is excessive thermal expansion and insufficient gap. Question 97. Hogging of rails is. The correct answer is vertical bending of rail ends downwards. Question 98. Roaring of rails is caused by. The correct answer is corrugations on rail head. Question 99. Effective length of a railway track is. The correct answer is length available for standing a train. Question 100. Marshalling yard is used for. The correct answer is sorting and reforming trains.